A programmable 60% aluminum board. Designed in Japan by Tokyo Keyboard, the Tokyo60 is a compact HHKB-style board with a sleek, seamless design. With key updates, optimized ergonomics. This Season 4 version features new case colors and USB-C PCBA. Constructed with two pieces of 6000 series aluminum, machined with a 5-degree angle for an optimized ergonic feel. Hotswap sockets. Thanks to the hot-swap sockets on the PCBA, you can swap in new switches in minutes without any soldering, while the integrated plate adds additional stability. Fully programmable via QMK. Using QMK firmware, you have total control over every key. Plus, the configurator allows you to customize keymapping so you can easily fine-tune your keyboard for gaming, work, or play. RGB underglow with optional LED diffuser. Customizable RGB underglow visible with optional acrylic diffuser, sold separately. Position on the bottom or sandwich between the aluminum pieces. Top reviews from the United States. Nice keyboard for HHKB starters. Pretty nice keyboard to start with if you want to try the HHKB layout. I really liked the way it felt with the low-profile feel, made it really enjoyable to use. It has an integrated plate design so the keyboard may feel a bit stiff, but it's not really a bad thing.